Let's walk through the steps for online reimbursement for Wellness Wallet and eyewear. Before we begin, make sure you have digital copies of your receipts on your device in PDF or image format. These can be scanned paper receipts, photos of your receipts, or a screenshot of your order confirmation email, as long as it shows what you purchased and how you paid for it. First, visit martinspoint.org. Log into your member portal by clicking Sign in the top right corner. Then select Health Plan Members from the drop-down menu. Enter your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can register using the link in the bottom left corner. Click Sign in when you're ready. Once logged in, scroll down to the Member Tools and Resources section. Click Request Reimbursement. An alert window will appear, letting you know you're leaving the Martins Point website. This is safe and will redirect you to the reimbursement page. Click Continue to proceed. If this is your first time accessing online reimbursement, you will be prompted to create 3 security questions. Choose the security questions you'd like, provide the answers, and click Next when you are done. Once you're on the reimbursement page, start by clicking Reimburse Myself. Under Create Reimbursement, always select Medical in the Pay From menu and select Me in the Pay To menu. Hit the Next button to continue. Keep in mind, the approval or denial of your reimbursement request will be determined by your receipt and the information you provide on the claim detail. Let's continue. Under Receipt/Documentation, click the blue Upload Valid Documentation link. When the Upload Receipts dialog box pops up, click the blue Browse for a File link. Find your receipts. The receipts can be in PDF or image file formats. You will not be able to submit your receipts if they are not in this format. Select your receipts and hit Submit to Upload. This will close the dialog box. Then click Next. Lastly, fill out the fields under Claim Details to provide information related to your reimbursement. Provider refers to the entity where you purchased your item or service. Select the category and type that best describe what you purchased. Choose your name as the recipient, and when you're finished, click Next. Your reimbursement request should now appear under the transaction summary. If you have more transactions to upload, click Add Another and repeat the steps. When you're finally ready to submit, under Claims Terms and Conditions, click the checkbox to agree and hit Submit. You'll get a confirmation message that your request has been submitted. Your reimbursement request will now appear under Review Medical Claims under the Member Tools and Resources section on your member portal homepage. As always, if you need assistance, give us a call at 1-866-544-7504. We're happy you're here.